Guys, a very good afternoon. And if you're interested to see exactly how I make over $1,000 by trading online in the next few minutes, then keep watching. This video is just for you. Hey guys, welcome again to another live trading session with me and Market Potentials. And this afternoon, I'm going to be, trying to make over $1,000 in profit by simply trading online. Now, if you're new to this channel, I basically show you behind the scenes and a live, screen recording of my actual trades as I take them. So that you can actually learn and benefit and hopefully do the same as well. Now guys, if you want to access the same trading platform that I'm using, the link is down below, so go ahead and sign up for it if you want to. It's a free sign up after all, and you get full access to the same platform, same tools, and everything that I have in my hands to actually be making money online by trading. Do consider subscribing to the channel if you think this content is going to be helpful to you as well. Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump into the trade and make some moolah this afternoon. And I'm looking to trade the Australian dollar, US dollar, as I said, US dollar forex pair. The only difference is I'm going to be trading in a binary option trade. Now I've just jumped into a trade right there. 1788 is the amount that is invested in this particular trade, and it just dipped right in. I actually selected lower, guys. If you noticed what I did, I selected the red arrow there. I've got a couple of more seconds left to see if it's going to pan out my way. Now 1788 is just a lucky number of sorts, guys, so yeah, that's why. I mean, I'm attempting to make $1,000. Why not 1,300, right? So there we go. That's in the money, guys. That's ka-ching right in the bank, and that's $1,305.24. Again, guys, $1,305 in profit from an investment of 1788 initially, all right, or a ROI of 73%. That's the profit that you can see here. Okay, as you can see, I just made that trade live in a couple of minutes into starting the video. I actually thought I'd be able to talk a little bit longer if I jump into a trade, but as you know, it's a live trade, so if I see an opportunity, I'm going to jump in. Now let's in a way kind of digress and look into the trade and how I made that happen. All right, now I made that happen by simply using very, very basic technical indicators that you see here, guys. Now the top one is the Bollinger Bands, MACD, and the RSI. Now all of these indicators are accessible here, as you can see, under the popular section, and you can just go ahead and select them, and it did come right up on the screen. I do not use any forex signals. I do not use any other aid in helping me to trade or make decisions in trading. I simply use the indicators that are available on the platform, and again, it's free. Okay, so let's investigate a little bit further. All right, now we did notice that the chart weakened significantly a little bit here. I obviously have been looking at the chart and the way it's been moving for the past 15-20 minutes or so before I jumped into a trade. Now guys, being a trader, let me tell you one of the most important things. Being a trader does not mean that you have to jump into every single trade that comes your way. The way I trade is I initiate a trade rather when I actually have like close to about 80% chance of success to at the very minimum. This is because a trader, a successful and a profitable trader, knows when to get into a trade, and more importantly, knows when not to get into a trade as well. Now, everyone can trade, but not many people can trade successfully and profitably consistently over a period of time. Now, that is the main difference, guys. So unless you have a way of trading, only with trades that have a significantly higher chances of yielding success, then you're going to be pretty much losing money over the long run, right? It makes sense, doesn't it? So that's one of the most important things. Now, I jumped into the trade right here simply because I noticed the weakness that was appearing. Now, if you can see here, you can see that the chart trended to, start its downtrend here. Obviously, it picked up a little bit, but I was right with the general downtrend. In fact, it continued a little bit longer as well, as you can see here, all the way down here. Now, I was able to identify that simply with, by looking at the Bollinger Bands, looking at the MACD, as well as the RSI. Yeah, you could, use many other tools that are available here, but I'm just trying to keep it a little bit simple. These are the basic indicators that I use anyway to make a trade. As you can see, making returns like 73% is not unusual in binary options trading, which is one of the main reasons I have been trading this, more consistently and a bit more exclusively over the past few years. Now, I started obviously trading Forex and stuff, but in Forex, the returns are often variable. So meaning sometimes you make 2%, sometimes you make 5%, sometimes you lose 10%, whatever. It's variable. You don't know how much you're going to make until the end of the trade. And the duration of the trade entirely varies. There's no way in hell that you can make that kind of returns in like 30 seconds like I just did here. In Forex, you often have to hold the position for hours, days, weeks, of course, all of which means that you incur an additional finance charge, holding charge by the broker for holding the position open, margins, stuff like that. Now, all of that is not applicable in binary options trade. In binary options trade, you are still trading the underlying Forex pair. And all you're doing is just basically selecting let me just take this out, is basically just selecting higher or lower here, all right, accordingly. So basically, if you think the chart is going to end up being lower in 30 seconds, just like I did earlier, just go ahead and select lower. If you think it's going to end up being higher, just select higher. And in 30 seconds, pending the outcome, if it's higher or lower, then you get paid out or you lose the trade. That's it. It's really that simple. Now, that's one of the most, interesting or rather exciting ways for me to trade, because for me, if I'm going to be trading with, then you know that you're dealing with risk, right? Trading is risky. You all are aware of that. But how do you convert that element of risk into a high payout? I would rather take that same risk and turn it into a higher payout of 73% versus trading with that risk in Forex and incurring maybe a 2% return or whatever, or a loss, whatever. Nobody knows, right? So that's entirely one of the main reasons I've just shifted more and more of my trades into binary option trading more recently. And if you want to, get access and trade the same way that I do, again, guys, just a quick reminder, the sign up link is down below. Go ahead and sign up for it after a quick verification process. After all, it is a trading platform. You get complete access to every single tool and everything that I'm telling you right now, okay? So yeah, I mean, the technical indicators wise, like I said, you can easily you can quickly just Google it up, guys. I think investopedia.com talks quite, extensively about it, so go check that out. Basically, all you're looking to see is how you learn to start using these tools to analyze your trade and make decisions accordingly. Now, guys, I attempted, this afternoon to start to make $1,000 in profit. Now, I have done that. I've made $1,305.24 in profit from the last trade, as you just saw earlier. So I'm going to call it quits for today. I've achieved my goal. Like I said, I wanted to show you that exactly how I did it. You were able to see exactly how I did it in a live screen recording. And I hope you guys actually take action. That's the most important thing, because at the end of the day, only action takers get the results, right? So yeah, I mean, I'll be back again maybe tomorrow with another video. So do consider subscribing if you'd like to see more trades and learn more and exactly how you too can make a significant income trading simply from the comfort of your home, right now. All right, cheers guys, take care now, bye.